earning zero and they're still coming to work.
In fact, Chair, I don't know if the person responsible for human resources in Turkana is here. Are they here, Governor?
I think it's present here.
Yeah, because that issue was raised by the Chair. Who is that person, Governor? When your HR manager looks at these pay slips, I think he needs to comment. I don't know if it's a substantial issue in the audit on statutory deductions going below the statutory limit.
Yeah, there's a substantive issue of 1/3 salary rule.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Maybe we can call the payroll manager.
Where are they, Governor?
Director and
Chair,
then the payroll manager is also outside here.
Sifuna, you have intimidated witnesses, so no one wants to own up that they are the ones running that function. Why don't you put the question? It might assure them that.
No, I mean no harm.
That you mean no harm.
Governor knows that I am ordinarily a very nice person. These rumors that circulate about my character is not true. Is the officer in now?
Chair, I want to raise that issue. Interest, it's like a statutory deduction. So if you own interest, everything else is stopped. The only thing that the county should be asking, how does that person survive? But it is allowed to have a zero if you have a zero salary if you got some interest. The other thing I need to raise, the county should be telling us where those people went. They have the original warrant if the interest was issued. They have a duplicate. Original is with the county and the duplicate. So if they have those records, they should be telling us where those people and the reasons why those people took the interest.
Okay, that's clear. That's you've given us a factual position from the Treasury. Senator Sifuna, what question did you want to?
I don't know if the human resource manager.
Maybe you can ask her.
Yeah, we were looking at these pay slips of some of your employees, Governor. So I want him to just address that question that has been raised again by the auditor. How do these people survive? You know the law. Is somebody allowed to go home with the zero pay? Just tell us your name.
Okay. I'm James Ayen, payroll manager for Turkana County Executive. To answer on that, yes, someone can get zero balance if this is a government liability. Government liability first takes a priority because you had already taken the money, then a priority is given to statutory deduction, then government liability takes the second priority.
Okay. Who is the human resource manager?
I'm here. Judy the turn.
We can't hear you.
You may be on your feet so that we can be able to see you.
Yes, I'm here. Judy Lorenichan, Director Human Resource.
You are the Director of Human Resource.
Yes.
You are a member of the institute.
Yes,
What's your number?
15150.
Give us a view of how these people survive from a human resource perspective. When they take home, the guys in payroll don't care. They are saying for as long as it's a government liability, it's okay. But from a survival perspective, from a human survival perspective, what do these payrolls talk to?
On the survival tactics, probably, maybe I can say maybe if they have businesses, maybe they can do on the hustle ground.
I was afraid you were going to say they survive on wild fruits and honey.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, interest must be surrendered, and if not, it must be recovered at an interest rate. And OAG, what we have are sample payslips, give us the assurance that all those who are still holding interest have been, the reductions are happening. So maybe it's something you can keep in view and deal with in your current audit. Let's proceed to the aggregation and industrial park issue. Idle cash in bank for county aggregation and industrial park.
Thank you, Chair. Idle cash in bank for county aggregation and industrial park The Council of Governors at a meeting held in May 2023 deliberated on the implementation framework for county aggregation and industrial parks, which amongst others resolved that the Council of Governors to consolidate and share the list of counties qualified to implement the aggregation park project under phase 1 based on the set evaluation criteria. The county government are the procuring and contracting entities for the aggregation parks. The Council of Governors to share the bills of quantities, designs and drawings, cost estimates and tender documents to governors for their customization. The Council forwarded the tender documents incorporating the tendering forms, evaluation and qualification criteria, bills of quantities, drawings and contract forms, which the county government of Turkana was requested to customize and submit to an updated website link for processing and advertisement by 23rd May 2023. Review of documents provided for audit revealed that the management developed and submitted a part development plan for the park through a letter dated 5th July 2024. It also sought approval and opened a bank account at Central Bank of Kenya in April 2024, and the project is domiciled at the Ministry of Trade, Gender and Youth Affairs. However, there was no evidence that management submitted to the designated address customized tender documents for the county for processing advertisements as required by the Council of Governors. In addition, an amount of Kenya shillings 100 million deposited in the project bank account has not